Well, hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to update your device driver for Intel Xe. So okay, let's get started. So at first, if you are Intel user, you have this kind of feature which is Intel driver and support assistant. So this is why I always use my main when I want to update my Intel Xe driver. Okay, as you can see, we are in the website of the Intel driver and support assistant. So I have an update, which is one software update available. So I will install it right now. Okay. So once your download has been completed, so it say install all, so I'm just
2 hours later.
so you will have this app to install when you tap the install, and it show the graphic driver installer. So it's loading. Once done, the installation will through this another application software where you should tap on the begin to install. Pre-install collected data about your device. So this is how they're checking the software and the bug in the system and all of that. Okay. So you should click on I agree, and the install will perform the following event. Yes, start. Uninstall the previous installer.
Two hours later.
Okay, as you can see, it's up to date to the day. So the let me check the version. So this is the version 32.0.101.6647. So this is the up to date version for Intel Xe graphic right now. Okay, thank you guys, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my content. So I hope I'm helping you to set up your graphic driver. Okay, thank you guys, bye.